If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so for us to the face, I hear the voice, and you don't know, say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have KO and DA, dog. The fuck me even I said them two names in our title, bro. Do you know today is a special date, bro? Cause them two man they know that we've been asking for them two to do a song ever since DA start make music. Cause ever since they start make music, we're like, yo, KO, you know this nigga is like a mini version of you, right? So we don't need to do a song. And it's like, alright, finally. We heard it in that that video that they did where they were in school. Rise it up and slam it, bow! Right down, panic, slack it, whacking, we left them battered. Two swinging as ketchup splattered. And you know what I'm talking about, bro. Drill listeners, you know. Let me know in the comments. What name? Some 98 school anthem or not school anthem. They were in a school, but the 98 anthem. Something, man, you know. But anyway, today we have KO and DA do it for. Now I'm guessing they're gonna be like who they do it for. They do it for either the Dead Bros or the gang or who knows, man. We're gonna find out who they do it for and who's it for. You understand? But it's not really news still, but bro, they like my comment on his IG post yesterday. I was like, you know what I'm saying? The drillers know. The drillers know, so the yard man, they might check out the thing, bro. You understand? Well, the yard man. The only important yard man, I should say. Anyway, yo, I'm chatting way too much, man. I just want to jump into this, hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, and yeah, let's go, man. Gascoigne House, Gascoigne Road, Holly Street, R14. This beat I got sick.
They ain't on what they portray. Do it, bro, D, it was all bait. Still go against what the law states. They ain't got no backbone. My 9-8 stay on crash mode. Catch calling all stay at home. Ops, them fans probably see me on the playlist. I see them, then they see the stainless. I ain't seen my nigga in ages. You got him in a cage, bro, what's the latest? Said if he sees this pagan who doing with his hands, go and do it with a makeshift. We get it done on the pavement, take it. Anyway, we hear that he baking. Wherever you're baking, if there's a chance, in advance, we're planning a lock off. You wanna rap about pop out, I rap stones and guns get pop off. Your hatchback, take the top off, pattern a pick up, pattern a drop off. Run up the mileage, don't know about stop off. Anyone on the fence better hop off. Get seen with them, then you can bleed with them. Hop off the fence, if not, get shot off it. Who rung it? Holly or Hommett and private call, make it stay anonymous. Only interested if it's profiting.
Man say who rang it, man? It's a private call, man. You ain't gonna know unknown number, unknown caller. You're not gonna know who rang it. Jesus.
Who rung it? Holly or Hommett and private call, make it stay anonymous. Only interested if it's profiting. Put a flat heads with the holotix, mix and match, we're both ain't gotta pick. Something gone dead, I'm positive. Something gonna get murdered, I'm certain if somebody slips me circling. Something gonna see curtains, I'm certain, with intent when we're lurking. Intending to put him in tents, do it with a chef where the skin gets bursting. Intentions to put him in intensive. If I see you, that's beds and nurses. They ain't on what.
I knew it was coming, bro. I knew it was coming. Some lyrical, miracle, spiritual shit, man. Bro, this is about to be the most lyrical, miracle, spiritual shit you ever heard in your life, bro. These two guys, like, they're just born to make bars, bro. To write bars, I swear. You hear that intense wordplay? Intense, to put them intense, intensive, intent. They said, like, intense like 5 times in 5 different ways, bro. Listen. Listen!
Positive. Something gonna get murdered, I'm certain if somebody slips me circling. Something gonna see curtains, I'm certain, with intent when we're lurking.
Someone gonna see curtains, I'm certain, like, dog. Alright, bro, maybe I'm guessing that, but this sounds mad.
And private call, make it stay anonymous. Only interested if it's profiting. Put a flat heads with the holotix, mix and match, we're both ain't gotta pick. Something gone dead, I'm positive. Something gonna get murdered, I'm certain if somebody slips me circling. Something gonna see curtains, I'm certain, with intent when we're lurking. Intending to put him in.
First they did that S syllable. What you call that? Not simile, like alliteration. Yeah, that's what you call it. That's called that alliteration. That's curtains and see and yeah.
But both ain't gotta pick something gone dead, I'm positive.
Something gonna get murdered, I'm certain. If somebody slits me circling.
Something gotta see curtains, I'm certain. With intent when we're lurking.
Intending to put him in tent.
No.
Do it with a chef, with the skin gets bursted.
Intentions to put him in intensive.
If I see you, that's beds and nurses.
They ain't on what they portray. Do it for the 9, do it for 8. Do it broad day, it was all bait. Still go against what the law states.
They ain't got no backbone. My 9-8 stay on crash mode. Don't get caught in the splash zone. Catch corn or stay at home.
They ain't on what they.
Bro, I tell you niggas, do I need to say anymore? They said crash. I said, what him say? What him say? Catch corn or stay at home.
Crash mode. Don't get caught in the splash zone. Catch corn or stay at.
Catch corn or stay at home. And where am I? Where am I, bro? Yeah, Dad, I'm at home, fam. I ain't trying to catch no corn, bro. Where are you? I hope you're at home and you're watching this, bro. Don't be out there trying to catch no corn, man. Stay at home, bro. Stay inside, fam. Look how comfortable I am in here, bro. You think anybody's gonna try and get me down in my room? Nah, man. The only... Alright, let me not say that. But you know, man, I'm safe in my room, you know?
Backbone. My 9-8 stay on crash mode. Don't get caught in the splash zone. Catch corn or stay at home.
They ain't on what they portray. Do it for the 9, do it for 8. Do it broad day, it was all bait. Still go against what the law states.
They ain't got no backbone. My 9-8 stay on crash mode. Don't get caught in the splash zone. Catch corn or stay at home.
Stay indoors if not get bored.
Wait. Bro, I wasn't even... Look in the bottom left of the screen, bro. Look in the bottom left of the screen. LODS. We know where they're trying to say they're lurking in from. They know that they're lurking in the LF, bro. The LF, man. The LFs, man. The ZTs, man. Bro, I'm a Jamaican raptor, bro. I can say it, bro. He's riding around in London fields, bro. They're trying to say that they're riding around in fields, bro. It's not a secret to anybody. You understand? So why you blurring it? Well, I guess I know why they have to blur it. But you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, that's mad still.
Still go against what the law states.
They ain't got no backbone. My 9-8 stay on crash mode. Don't get caught in the splash zone. Catch corn or stay at home.
Stay indoors if not get bored.
This thing dong ain't religious.
So I can't just step outside anymore. If I step outside, I have to get bored. Like, I have to. Stay inside or get bored. There's no options. There's no... You can't go to the supermarket. You can't get no gas. Even gas. You still can't even get gas. Anyway, man. Just don't bore me.
Splash zone, catch corn or stay at home.
Stay indoors if not get bored.
This thing dong ain't religious chore.
Get in the motor, take that tour.
Get in motion, foot on the floor.
Freely your engine, hearing it roar. Squeeze us your ending if you get caught.
I'm sure the pagans don't want war. Outside trying to update the score.
Wiper or wetter to keep me secure. Lucky if just an assault. Let it bust when we explore. Use the same gun. Ops then run, cause they seen it before.
Run, doing up sports. And if you come, mission abort. 100 bells, we're needing more. One shotgun, feed back 4.
Shotgun discharges, pellets them spreading. Had the dots in the ends like a sentence. Firearm with the weapons offensive.
Had the dots in the ends like a sentence. Have the dots in the ends like a What am I listening to, dog? How do you make that up? How do you make that up? And why can you put Middleton Road in here, but you can't put London Fields in there? Dog, most of them police officer tell them for that. What? I'm still. How do you think of that? Put the dots. Have the dots in the ends like I said. All right, let's play the song, bro. I can't do this anymore.
If you come, mission abort. 100 bells, we're needing more. One shotgun, feed back 4.
Shotgun discharges, pellets them spreading. Had the dots in the ends like a sentence. Firearm with the weapons offensive, cause I know kills Western prevention. Harming a target, they need it like a sentence. Firearm with the weapons offensive, cause I know kills Western prevention. Harming a target, they need it for.
Oh, cause I know cures better than prevention. Okay. Wait, cures worse than prevention?
Sentence. Firearm with the weapons offensive, cause I know cures worse than prevention.
Yeah, cause I know cures worse than prevention. Yeah, prevention is better than cure. Yeah, man, prevention is better than cure, man.
Had the dots in the ends like a sentence. Firearm with the weapons offensive, cause I know cures worse than prevention. Harming a target, they need in forensics. They cross margins, shell them on engine. My brethren said just rap don't crash, but still I give in cause it's tempting.
Rap don't crash till the waps get an upgrade.
Man said rap don't crash, I still give in cause it's tempting. Like I just, it's tempting, man. If I see it up, I can't help it. See me up more time, I can't help it. Jump out, bitch, and I chef that down. Dig, twist, spin that round. Got man's family stressing out. I was baking at home in my dressing gown. But me, I think it's best if it gets pronounced. The link with CJM, so I can do that, you know what I'm saying? But it's just crazy how bars just live in my head.
My brethren said just rap don't crash, but still I give in cause it's tempting.
Rap don't crash till the waps get an upgrade. I think the scoreboard here needs an update. Give it a break, the Rambo start wait, fucks it, pull out the plug mate. You encircled round to your back and your butt ache. I let the water boil on the cupcake. Tied up zip ties and duct tape, cut all the trees then touch base.
They ain't on what they portray. Do it for the man, do it for A. Do it bro day, it was all bait. Still go against what the law states.
They ain't got no backbone. My 9-8 stay on crash mode. Don't get caught in the splash zone. Catch corn or stay at home.
They ain't on what they portray. Do it for the man, do it for
9-8.
Do it bro day, it was all bait. Still go against what the law states. They ain't got no backbone. My 9-8 stay on
Crash mode.
Don't get caught in the splash zone. Catch corn or stay at home.
Crash code on stay at home. You ain't got no.
I keep it to myself, don't say what's on my mind. This pain that my heart's felt, and so they gotta pay the price.
Hey.
Watch out for these guys.
Okay, so KO say, yo, vibe, wavy. Alright, KO, now say a word. Let me just. Bro. Lyrical, miracle, spiritual. I swear the most lyrical, miracle, spiritual shit you've ever heard in your life, bro. And I know there's bars in here that went over my head because every time I listen KO and DA, there's bars that I can you just can't catch it on the first listen, bro. You always need a second, third, fourth, even a fifth listen. Because in DA's song, say put the boots in the bag and go into training. I was like, bro, I never caught that till like the third line because everything around it was just flowing. And then I was like, bro, you still have these type of sick bars in between all the other sick bars and flow. Yeah, and so we know we're gonna have to listen to this like probably 3 or 4 more times to catch everything. But for what I heard now, amazing, bro. And we got a hook, and an R14 beat. Oh my God, R14, bro. We need more. Yes, that I don't even know what to say now. But yo, this was 60. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. KODA, do it for. Hit that like or dislike button. Cogence and Cogence Sirax channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah.